I am a skincare fanatic. I live, I breathe, and think about how I can help people with skin concerns. It's been over 5 years that I have worked in skincare industry. I started as a beauty consultant selling skincare products, and I was so curious to know how skincare products are formulated and packaged. So to learn all of these, I enrolled in FIDM, Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising School. This school was one of the best school I have ever enrolled in. Maybe because it was all about the beauty industry marketing and merchandising that I got to study. But I have to share with you behind the scene of beauty brands that I found out about after attending the school. You may think that you are paying for the product, but that is not true. Stay tuned till the end to find out the entire untold story of a skincare industry. I am Sajana, your licensed skincare specialist. I did not stop at exploring the skincare brand that only makes the over-the-counter products, meaning the retail products. I took a step further to understand how the advanced skincare works, why these products are better than the retail store. And in order to find these answers, I enrolled in a esthetician program, and now I have the answer and also a license. I will share those answers with you in future videos, as I don't want to make this video too long for you. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are always sharpening your mind on knowledge on skincare. Why am I telling you not to spend money on buying luxury skincare product? The reason is, when I was at FIDM, I got a chance to visit the trade shows, the manufacturing companies, and got to meet the multi-million-dollar skincare company CEOs and understood the process of the packaging and really got to know the behind the scene of what it takes to build a product. So, are you ready to hear the real story? This might break your heart, but the truth is, when you are buying a product, you are paying for the packaging, not for the product. In one of the trade shows that I went to called Makeup in LA, I was amazed. There were manufacturing companies and buyers ready to make the deal. If you want to create a makeup line or a skincare line, everything is ready. All you need is an investment, brand name, and brand story. The thing that makes the product different is really a brand label. If you want customization on the packaging, that's when the company needs to pay more. Especially for the makeup companies, the products are the same. Like for example, the eyeshadows or mascara, the prices that you are paying, $10 versus $20, the difference is the brand name. For a skincare company, it is a little bit different, so you can ask a formulator to add a few ingredients to the already made master formulation. But you cannot ask for a whole lot of different formulation because you need to do the research, test the formulation, and wait for the result that can take time and investment. So for the most of the time, skincare brand will just go with what's already available in the manufacturing site. Have you ever noticed why all the brands come out with a similar product at the same time? It's because of the same reason. One manufacturing house and many brands source it from the same manufacturing plant. So let's say one ingredient is discovered that has an excellent source of healing the acne concerns. Now the manufacturing company, in order to make money from all the research and formulation, they have to sell it to different brands, as one brand cannot give them an exclusive offer in most of the cases. It will be really expensive. However, that can happen if a brand is very rich to buy the whole formulation and make it exclusive. That way, consumer will end up paying for the exclusive price. So, a lot of brands source it from one place, create a marketing story, put it in their packaging, and sell it to you at different prices. Now, If you have an income that you can sustain a luxury skincare and you like the brand, then do support them. However, if you cannot afford but paying for the marketing terms with a hope to get the result, and in that case, I wouldn't recommend you spending on the luxury skincare. I would say check out the brand like The Ordinary or the INKEY List. They have disrupted the skincare industry with making it affordable and effective at the same time. I am not sponsored by any one of those brands, and I am sharing all of these from my own experience to help you. After 5+ years of journey in skincare, I have always looked for an ultimate answer to find out how to resolve skin concerns. And I'm telling you, I have suggested countless number of products to people from retail to professional products. The answer is you cannot resolve skincare concern with just only product. It helps, but maybe around 10%. The remaining 90% depend on two things: your mindset and your eating habits. In order to resolve the skin concerns from the root cause itself, your mindset includes your exercise activities, your daily life situation, stress, all of those things. And the other thing is your nutrition factor. If you are eating fries and burgers every day and doing 14-step skincare routine to get rid of your acne, it's not going to work. To help you find the care for the solution, I went beyond my reach from suggesting skincare products to becoming a certified holistic nutritionist. Now I have the full understanding of how the food can trigger your skin concerns, the balanced diet that you need, and moreover the mindset practice you can have to live a life that you are fully confident about. You don't need to worry about skin concerns and skin insecurities anymore. I have helped people just like you regain their confidence on skin with daily mindset practices, nurturing the eating habits, and simplifying their skincare routine. I provide great accountability through one-on-one coaching service, a program that is designed keeping you in mind. I have also prepared a guide for you that helps to keep your skin healthy. It's a printable PDF file. I will share the link in the description box below as well, so you can download it from there. If you like the advice about the luxury skincare, I'm pretty sure that you will benefit from the other advice videos that I made for you. Click here for another video to watch next, and click on the picture below to subscribe to Skincare with Sajana. To improve your mindset, nutrition, and skin, I will see you in the next video. Start with the video.